Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make the best Minecraft thumbnails. This is everything you will need for this tutorial. Let's begin. So anyways, what I use is Modpack. I'll put the link to Modpack in the description, but basically you just want to install it, all that blah blah blah. I'm not going to teach you that. And then what we're going to do is create a new instance, okay? So we're going to press create, and then we're going to press fabric. Then we're going to do game version, and then 1.20.1, and then you would choose a name, so thumbnail blah blah blah, and then you press create. But I already have it right here. Then what you're going to do is press install content. Inside of install content, you're going to want to install fabric API, sodium, iris shaders, let's see, complementary shaders reimagined, indium, new NPCs. This right here is the mod pack we're going to be using to add our NPCs in for the thumbnail. So once you add in all this, we're just going to press play. Alright, so now once Minecraft loads in, we're going to press single player and then create worlds. Okay, now inside of create worlds, we're going to want our game mode to be creative, difficulty to peaceful, press the world tab, super flat, generate structures off, go to more tab, game rules. Okay, then let's see, scroll down to mobs, turn on disable raids, go back to spawning and tick these all off. Okay, then drop mob loot off, and world updates advanced time of day off. Okay, update weather off, announce advancements off. Okay, and press done, go back to game tab and just name it and then press create. Alright, so now once we are inside of Minecraft, we are going to want to do the following. So go into search and just type in NPC and then put in all of these. Okay, so now what we're going to do is make sure the NPC is facing the sun, right click on the NPC wand, and then just press finalize. Okay, now we have our NPC. Okay, what we're going to want to do depends on your situation, but for me, I want it rotated towards the sun. So I'm going to do -90 degrees, and it's facing towards the sun. Now we want it to do like a position, so you can spend your time adjusting in it and making it look good to how you want. There we go. So now we have this, and if you want, you can change the skin by right clicking it, pressing skin and change, and then you can go to the open skins folder and choose to like import a skin in here, but make sure that when you're choosing a skin and to import it, make sure you rename it so that there are no spaces in the file name, because if there's a space in the file name, for some reason it completely crashes Minecraft because the NPC wand mod cannot comprehend a space. So just make sure that there are no spaces. Okay, now I already have my skin in here, so I'm just going to change it to my skin. Now you may want to add a background. This is completely up to you. In my case, I'm good. I don't need a background. But now what we're going to do is go to settings, options, FOV 30, and then we're going to enable our shaders. So if you know the hotkey for it, you can toggle the hotkey and then it activates it. But if you don't, just go to options, video settings, shader packs, and then click complementary reimagined. Now inside of it, you can adjust the shader pack settings to however you want, but it's completely up to you. /time set day. Yeah, /time set day. Now what we're gonna do is put our game mode into spectator. Inside of spectator, you're gonna press F1, and then you can find the angle you want for your thumbnail. So for me, I'm gonna put mine like right here. Okay, that's good. And then you're gonna press F7. You're gonna press 4 and then take screenshot. And this is the highest quality you can get for a screenshot. And boom, once it's done, we can now switch over to Photoshop or Photopea, depending on if you're using the free or paid version. Okay, so now inside of Photoshop or Photopea, whatever you're using, they're both the same, just one's free and one's not. We're gonna press new file, and then you're gonna type in the width 720. This is a YouTube thumbnail aspect ratio, and then you can name it whatever you want. So there we go, and then just press create. Okay, so yeah, go back to Modrinth and then press the 3 dots, open folder, and you can close Modrinth. And then what we're going to do is go to screenshots, and inside of screenshots we're going to have our 2 screenshots that are right here. So we're going to want to add them both. Just drag and drop, press done for both, they load in. Now make sure that this is on top, and then for both of these we're going to want to resize them to the full width. Okay, now that that's done, we're going to want to just edit this up to make it look better. So first off, I'm going to want to change this background. Okay, so yeah, there's a Discord server, I'll link it below, but inside they have a bunch of assets you can use for making thumbnails, and I downloaded a few of them. So one of them is this background, which is a nice one. There's also this one. Ooh, this one's nice and bright. I think I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so now just position your player how you want it. I'm gonna make it a little bigger. It's looking a little bland on this side, so we're gonna add some text. Okay, so choose what font you want and the color, and then resize it. Okay, now double click thumbnails right here and open up blending options. So what we're gonna do is click on drop shadow, and yep, these are my preset settings that I always have. So basically just copy this down. So 40 opacity, distance 14, spread 0, size 3. But obviously you can do it to however you like. You can add an outer glow if you would like. It really just depends. But I'm gonna add one for me. Okay, so that's that. And then now double click on your character. Add an inner glow. It depends if you like it or not, but for me, I think it looks good. Okay, you can copy these settings down if you want. Okay, now bevel and emboss. Okay, you can copy those settings. Press layer, new, layer. Boom. Now, this is depending on your video, but in layer 1, we're gonna select our brush. These are my settings. And then on the corners, we're just gonna wanna like brush around, and it helps like add some depth to it. Okay, when you do that, it helps like brighten it up, which always looks nice. Okay, there. So now once that's done, right click, duplicate group, convert to smart objects, go to filter, camera raw filter, and then adjust how you like, but you can copy my settings. Okay, once you're done, just press OK, and boom, look at that difference. And then once you're done, just press File, Export, Export as, with 1280, height 720, format PNG, turn off transparency, and then press Export. Alright, now you can put it wherever you want, in whatever folder, and boom. That is how you make a thumbnail in Minecraft.